Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Drunk Elephant mini set is probably one of the most sought-after skincare collections for beauty enthusiasts looking to sample the brand's cult favorite products without committing to full-size purchases, offering a curated selection of their most popular serums, moisturizers, and cleansers, making it an ideal entry point for those new to Drunk Elephant or a convenient way for existing fans to replenish their travel-friendly essentials. Number 5. Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser. Discover the power of nature with our Superfood Cleanser. It's formulated with kale and green tea to gently cleanse your skin. Effortlessly remove makeup, SPF, and excess oils without stripping your skin. This daily face wash leaves your complexion feeling refreshed and clean. Packed with soothing antioxidants, it helps your skin achieve a natural, healthy glow. Experience a gentle yet effective cleanse every day. Maintain your skin's natural pH balance while effectively cleaning your pores. Achieve clearer, healthier-looking skin with consistent use. Embrace a more sustainable routine with our refillable packaging. Enjoy the benefits of this amazing cleanser while being kind to the planet. What we like. This cleanser is packed with antioxidants from kale and green tea. It gently removes makeup and SPF without stripping your skin. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for a daily cleanser that soothes and hydrates, this is a great choice. What people say. This facial cleanser is soft and doesn't strip the skin while leaving your skin feeling sparkly fresh. I appreciate the natural ingredients and the understated scent goes away quickly, which is good for someone with sensitive skin. After the first wash, my skin felt clean without feeling tight and there was no peeling. What amazed me is that I have a lot of small bumps and after the first wash, they cleared up and my sensitive skin did not react at all. Number 4. Glow Recipe PHA plus BHA Face Toner. Discover the power of gentle exfoliation with our unique formula. It helps to refine pores and reveal smoother, brighter skin. Experience the perfect balance of hydration and clarity. This toner quenches your skin while gently removing impurities. Crafted with nourishing ingredients like watermelon, cactus water, and glycerin. It leaves your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Say goodbye to visible pores. Our Korean-inspired formula works to visibly minimize their appearance for a flawless complexion. Incorporate this essential step into your daily routine. Achieve a healthy, glowing complexion with every use. Formulated to be effective yet gentle, it's suitable for a wide range of skin types. Enjoy clearer, more hydrated skin. What we like. This toner features a blend of PHA and BHA for effective yet gentle exfoliation. It also hydrates with watermelon and cactus water. If you are looking to refine pores and achieve smoother skin without irritation, this toner is ideal. What people say. This set is a great way to try out several Drunk Elephant products without committing to full sizes. The mini sizes are perfect for travel or for sampling different products to see what works best for your skin. It's a good value for experiencing multiple popular items from the brand. Number 3. Glow Recipe Pink Juice Water Gel Moisturizer. Unlock the secret to dewy, radiant glass skin. This lightweight moisturizer is your daily dose of hydration. Experience a refreshing, oil-free formula that won't clog your pores. It's perfect for keeping your skin balanced and clear. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it delivers intense hydration without any heaviness. Enjoy long-lasting moisture all day. Specially formulated for oily skin, this gel moisturizer helps control excess sebum. It leaves your complexion feeling fresh and comfortable. Embrace the essence of Korean beauty with this innovative water gel. It's the ultimate step towards a flawless complexion. Worry-free hydration is here. Its non-comedogenic properties ensure it won't cause breakouts, making it suitable for daily use. What we like. This moisturizer has a lightweight water gel formula that absorbs quickly. It provides long-lasting hydration without feeling greasy. If you have oily or acne-prone skin and desire a dewy, glass-like finish, this oil-free option is perfect for you. What people say. It feels great on your face, very light. Smells great. Softens your skin nicely as well. This has a very similar texture, light and hydrating. The smell is also a plus. I have somewhat sensitive skin and had no issues with this product at all. Glow watermelon that really makes your skin glow. Number 2. ELEMIS Superfood Facial Oil. Discover the ELEMIS Superfood Facial Oil, a potent blend designed to nourish your skin. This lightweight elixir is packed with antioxidants to enhance your natural radiance. Experience deep hydration without the heavy feel. Its non-greasy botanical blend works to boost moisture levels, leaving your complexion feeling revitalized. Fortified with powerful antioxidants, this serum helps protect your skin from environmental stressors. It's your daily defense for a healthier-looking appearance. Watch your skin transform as this facial oil enhances your natural radiance. It's formulated to bring out a luminous glow, making your complexion appear brighter. Crafted with a carefully selected botanical blend, this elixir delivers essential nutrients. Enjoy the benefits of nature for visibly healthier and more vibrant skin. Quench your skin's thirst with this effective hydration booster. It replenishes moisture, ensuring your skin stays supple and comfortable throughout the day. What we like. This facial oil is a potent blend of nourishing botanicals. It enhances radiance and provides a hydration boost without a greasy feel. If your skin needs a pick-me-up and you're looking for a lightweight elixir to achieve a healthy glow, this is the one. What people say. It has made a huge difference in my makeup, which surprised me. Usually at my age of 55, by the end of the day my makeup settled in my small wrinkles under my eye. When I use the oil, this does not happen, and it does not appear oily at all, and I have oily skin. It goes so much further than the size would expect, and the results are very positive. At 80 I don't expect miracles, but improved skin condition and firmer skin is very appreciated. My skin absorbs the oil, it does not feel greasy, and has improved the appearance of my skin. It has been a lifesaver for my face and hands during these dry winter months. Number 1. Glow Recipe Fruit Baby Skincare Kit. Discover the Glow Recipe Fruit Baby Skincare Kit, your all-in-one solution for a glowing complexion. This set is designed to nourish and revitalize your skin. Start your routine with our ceramide facial cleanser. It gently removes impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture barrier. Next, experience the power of our BHA toner. It helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, smoother complexion. Address delicate eye areas with our vitamin C eye cream. It brightens and revitalizes, reducing the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Quench your skin's thirst with our hyaluronic acid cream. It provides intense hydration, leaving your skin plump and supple. Finish with our niacinamide dew drops. This serum helps to improve skin tone and texture, giving you that coveted dewy glow. This 5-piece kit offers a complete skincare ritual for healthy, vibrant skin. Experience the fruit-powered difference with Glow Recipe. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive skincare routine in one package. It includes a cleanser, toner, eye cream, moisturizer, and serum with various beneficial actives. If you're new to the brand or looking for a convenient way to try multiple products for glowing skin, this gift set is an excellent starting point. What people say. Within a week of use my skin cleared up immediately and the compliments flooded in. I was asked what makeup I was using and it was great to say, none. Just skincare. After using this travel kit for a few days, I've noticed my skin is more dewy, smooth and glowy under my makeup. The watermelon dew drops are a dream before I put on my foundation. My skin looks softer, feels softer, and has a soft glow. My pores are smaller and the smell, so good. I love my skincare routine now. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.